अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं अब्दुल्ला। 7H न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। 10 दिन पहले एक खातून ने साइबर क्राइम पुलिस में कंप्लेंट की थी कि विनोद कुमार नामी एक शख्स उसके फ़ोटोज़ लेकर उसे ब्लैकमेल कर रहा था और हर महीने उस खातून से 10,000 देने के लिए कह रहा था। इस पर साइबर क्राइम पुलिस ने वाइजाग जाकर विनोद कुमार को गिरफ़्तार कर लिया है और इसके कब्ज़े से एक मोबाइल फ़ोन जब्त कर लिया है। आइए देखते हैं ये रिपोर्ट।
About 10 days back, Cybercrime Police Station in Hyderabad City Police has received a complaint from a lady stating that she is being blackmailed into paying rupees 10,000 per month for last 4 months, and her nude photographs and other obscene photographs were posted on various websites and also in social media platforms. The case was registered immediately and a team was formed to investigate the case. The team visited Vizag and arrested one Vinod Kumar, and a phone was seized from his smartphone was seized from his possession. When we checked the phone, it was found that there were photographs of morphed photographs of more than 250 to 300 women in that. This fellow, what his modus operandi was, he used to collect all the women's information from Truecaller, from other social media platforms, and collect their photographs. And he used to morph these photographs and post them in various porn websites and other social media platforms. Then after 1 week, 10 days, he will make a call to this woman and he say that I am working in Dell company and will get all the photograph deleted and pay me rupees 10,000. So like that, he has cheated a lot of people. He himself will post all these photographs, nude photographs in various websites, and himself again will call them and take money from them to get it deleted. So this was his modus operandi. And also he was having some obscene chat, sex chat with various women also. This was also found in his phone. So he has been arrested and sent to remand, and we will be taking police custody and finding out who are all other victims. We request the general public not to share their personal information, personal photographs with any unknown person. All the social media platforms have the privacy settings in the apps, so kindly use them and not to share with any information with any unknown person. Thank you.
अब A1 टाउनशिप चिविला और मोइनाबाद के दरमियान मेन रोड से 1.3 किलोमीटर आबादी से लगा हुआ तमाम डेवलपमेंट के साथ जहां आप अपना घर बना के रह सकते हैं, जो है बिल्कुल 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 आबादी से लगा हुआ। 4 लाख में 100 गज का प्लॉट, ड्रेनेज, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फुटपाथ, बीटी रोड, कॉलेज, बस स्टॉप जैसी तमाम सहूलियतें दस्तयाब हैं। आपका ये छोटा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका और आपके बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल बदल सकता है। मजीद मालूमात के लिए हमें कॉल करें। एड्रेस पिलर नंबर 235 अपोजिट फिशर्स डिपार्टमेंट, राजेंद्र नगर, हैदराबाद। कॉन्टैक्ट 7799603838।
आपको अपडेट तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, चर्चा करना ना भूले। चैनल न्यूज़ आपकी आवाज़।